Shamai, help, my electric ukulele isn't working. Okay, it happens a lot. What I'm going to do is run through a few of the basic things that it can be and try and help you solve the problem without having to really worry too much about fixing your ukulele. And as it's pretty much the same checklist for your bass ukuleles, it'll count for this too. So you've got your electric or electroacoustic ukulele and it's not working. You've plugged it in. And it's still not working. Normally, the first thing that goes through people's minds is panic. Oh my goodness, my ukulele must be broken. But there is normally a pretty simple explanation for it. It's just working out what it is. Okay, so you've got an electroacoustic ukulele and you've got an equalizer or a tuner on it, okay? This often means your ukulele doesn't work if you've left the tuner switched on, okay? There we go. All right, that's just acoustic. There's nothing coming through my amp. My amp is all switched on. If I switch the tuner off, okay, that's normally the simplest one. Let's look at the actual amp next. These are all things that have tricked me in the past, so let's just run through them. The most basic is your amp switched on. Always worth checking. Secondly, are you using the correct input? If you look at the picture there of my Warwick amp, it's got two inputs. It's got one that says input and one that says headphones. I have plugged it into the headphones many times. It doesn't work. Volume on your amp, okay? Now with this amp here, I've got a gain and a volume. I know it's basics, but always make sure they're turned up. Even if you think, well, the last time I played it, it was working. Who knows, maybe little fingers have come in and turned it down, all right? So check with your amp, is it switched on? Are you in the right input? In other words, you're not in the headphone socket. And is the volume up? And this one's caught me before now. Are you actually plugged into the right amp? All right, you can see my picture that I've got several amps sat together. Always worth checking, are you in the right amp? So your tuner is turned off on your uke. Your amp is turned on, the volume's up, and you're in the right input. The next thing I would check would be my cable. Okay, this is the reason I'm actually making this today, because I went to plug in earlier, nothing was working. The cable, I had a quick look at it, had a quick feel. We've got a kitten in the house, and I could feel some little bite marks, but I thought, okay, right. Still nothing, and then I took it apart, okay? This bit here had gone, so in fact it wasn't the kitten. All right, there I can see a close-up shot. Now, the actual connection had gone, okay? It is mendable. I'll be asking my lovely husband if he can solder that, but check the cable. A good way of checking if the cable is working or not. This is not something I recommend doing often, but it's a good way of knowing if the cable that's plugged in is working. Make sure your amp is on. As it is, I've got a mute button on this one, okay? And then my cable, you can hear a humming because this isn't plugged into anything, but hopefully that noise is telling me this cable is working. Okay, yes, you can get fancy cable checkers and all sorts of gadgets, okay? But a good way of knowing, touch the end of your cable and you know the cable is working. Okay, so you know your amp, You know it's all working, you're all switched on, you're in the right input, you know your cable is working, and you've made sure that your tuner is switched off on your electric uke. And just to show, okay, I just do the same thing with a bass ukulele, okay. At the moment, my tuner is switched on. You can see the light on there, okay. It's not coming through the amp. That's purely the acoustic sound. If I switch the tuner off, okay, the bass uke is working. Most of the time, those things are going to fix your issue, all right? Honestly, I can't tell you how many times I've panicked thinking, oh my goodness, my ukulele or my bass guitar or whatever instrument I'm trying to plug in isn't working. But normally it's a basic thing, okay? But occasionally it can be the instrument itself. So what can go wrong with the instrument? Well, again, the obvious thing with this is check the battery. I have done a video on how to change batteries on an electric ukulele, okay? There's normally a compartment somewhere on it, and it'll take the small flat disc batteries, okay? Quite often, on the actual EQs on the instrument, you might get a flashing low battery light or some other indicator to say it's the battery, all right? So before panicking, check your batteries and check when you put new ones back in, you put them in the right way as well, all right? Now, with your bass ukes, this one is obviously electro-acoustic. Hang on. Da-dun! If you've got a solid body bass ukulele, these are often active. What does that mean? What it means is in the back or on the back of your ukulele, there will be a battery compartment. Okay, it's the same as many bass guitars as well. You get passive instruments, no battery needed, but a lot of the time, active instruments, they'll take a 9-volt battery. Both my solid body bass ukuleles arrived. This one didn't have a battery in it at all, and the Carla had the battery disconnected. Okay, so slightly different with a solid body bass ukulele, but same concept. Make sure the battery is either in there or at least connected. So that pretty much covers most of the things that are going to be causing your electric ukulele not to work. Okay, the very final thing which can happen, I had it happen to a ukulele quite recently, is the jack input, where you put your cable, your lead into it. Very occasionally this can come loose. Sometimes you can fix it yourself, and it's just a case of gently tightening the outside bolt. But I did have a ukulele where the actual wires inside had come loose, and one of them had come away from the jack plug completely, and that caused the uke not to work. But that really is the rarest of cases. Okay, nearly all of the time it's one of the basic things. So checklist once more. First of all, make sure your tuner on your uke is switched off. Secondly, check your amp. Is it switched on? Are you in the right input? Is the volume up? Or are you actually in the right amp? Check your cable. Okay, does your cable work? Plug it into an amp and gently touch it with your thumb. Onto your ukuleles are the batteries, okay? Do you need to change the batteries either on an electric ukulele or on a bass ukulele? And if all of those things have failed, go and ask on Facebook, because there's some very useful people on there. But generally, it could be something inside the uke has come loose. But really, that is the last thing you should be thinking. Go with the basics first. Hopefully, after watching this video, your ukulele is now fixed, whether it's an electroacoustic, whether it's a bass ukulele, or even a solid body ukulele. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, please feel free to leave it below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.